In this lecture, we will talk about our supplementary content. You know about here is our transition point. Here we give the contextual bridge between the macro context and the supplementary content. We make this bridge by talking about the sibling of human body, the animal bodies, and we give here the cell numbers because this is the grouper question of our supplementary content. You can also say the root question of all micro context. We give the Boolean question after this unique question and we unite their article methodology. In the Boolean question, first we give the process and then we give the result. Weight loss is the subtype of the grouper word, that is the benefits, and we use here the predicate drinking and water is our central entity. In the Koray methodology, if we give the internal link from the question, we also include the anchor text in the question. But here we did not do it. It's not for all situations. Here this is implied because the benefits is the grouper word and here we ask directly the benefit means weight loss. So there is something that we call the answer terms. For example, these are three web pages and we talk about our answer term, for example, body functions in all the three documents. In a one document, it appears in a general summary. In the second, it appears at the middle part. And in the third one, we include this at the bottom part. The purpose to write the answer term in a different web pages is two or three. One is we define it. Another one is connect it to the water, and the third one is, for example, connect it to the benefits, harms, risks, and that type of things. While creating your content briefs, you distribute the answer terms in the different web pages to connect it back that specific section to this, and also in a different content brief you also connect it with this, so it increase the overall relevance and even more authority to the main page. So while creating the content briefs, you maintain these specific answer terms. Answer term is basically the terms that are appear for answering the specific type of questions. In a Koray framework, in their content briefs, they use more column rather than just this. For example, they use the column annotation text. Annotation text is the text that appear around the anchor text. We hide for now because these are the fundamentals and it requires a lot of training. For example, here we have another column like preceding questions and unique information gain score. These are the more advanced things and it requires very hard training. So just these are the fundamentals in the content briefs to process all the stuff. And rarely these columns are used. So in the next lecture, we see some other content brief and then we go practically to the articles.